Hello, Medicine Woman in the Woods here. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, so you'll be notified when I make new videos. Tonight's video, I am going to show you how to make a decoction out of star anise. Star anise, people pronounce it different. So this is what it looks like, guys. I'm not going to bore you too much with a whole bunch of talking. I'm just going to put some information under this video of what this decoction that we're making tonight does. There's the star anise, or star anise. It's like the shape of a star. If I can get a better one. These ones are kind of crushed up. Here's a good one. So it looks like that, like a star, and there's seeds inside. And it smells like licorice. It smells beautiful, like black licorice. I happen to love black licorice. And then I'm using rose hips. This is some dehydrated rose hips, and I'll put some information what the rose hips are going to do. So this decoction tonight is the star anise and the rose hips in a mason jar, and then I poured hot boiling water in it, and I let it sit for a half hour, and I kept shaking it. So I'm making a strong tea, basically, is what I'm doing with this. I'm brewing a tea inside the jar. So it's been in there for about a half hour. It cooled down, so then I heated it up a little bit more, like just for a minute. I put it in the microwave for a minute, and now it's really hot. You can see the steam coming off. So I'm going to put it into my blender. I'm going to blend this all up really good. The longer you let it go, guys, the more you're going to extract it, just for video purposes. I don't like doing long videos. I'm just going to do this and show you how I strain it, and I'll probably put it back in and let it go longer. Usually I use my 420 infusion machine for this, and I put it in for like an hour. So you could, let this go till it cooled off, and then you could put it back in the microwave for a minute and start all over again with the heat extract and just do that over. So here we go. I'm just going to strain it into a straining bag here. And then there's my decoction that I'm going to use. I make this for people that have bowel problems, so many other problems too. It helps with digestion, like really good for that. And that's the star anise. It helps with the digestion and a whole bunch of other things. Like I say, I'll put some information at the bottom what it does. This is just kind of a creation of my own. They have made decoctions with the star anise and chamomile, but I decided to put the rose hips in because the rose hips are loaded with vitamin C and also great for inflammation. Star anise is great for inflammation too, so they really work well together in my mind. So I started using these two for people, and amazing how great they feel. It's hard to see with the camera, but see all that oil floating on the top? That's medicine. That's the oil from the rose hips and the oil from the star anise. That is beautiful. And if you could smell it, guys, it smells so amazing. Just great. So when people take it for the bowel issues, they don't mind taking it all. They say it tastes so lovely. So that's how I make a decoction. And I'll put a list of what it does. It lasts like this in the fridge for about 2 weeks. If you add some vitamin E oil, which is a natural preservative, you can get like a month and a half out of it. And even better, if you want to add a little honey to it, that's also a natural preservative, you'll get another maybe 3 or 4 months. So have a good night, guys. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can see new videos like this.